guys, happy May. I can't believe another month is just rolling on by and 2025 is almost halfway done. Today we're gonna do another slice of life day in my life vlog. Today we're a little bit more fun and special. I feel like a lot of these day in my life videos, when I do it, it sucks because I literally don't do anything. My day is just me rolling out of bed, editing videos, filming videos. And today we're gonna go to a concert. My friend Helen and her sister Caitlin. Today is Caitlin's birthday. So happy birthday, Caitlin. When you see this, it's probably not gonna be her birthday, but wish her a happy birthday in the comments below. Decided to go to the Ichiko Aoba concert and I'm really excited because, I don't know, this is like a new type of concert and genre for me, so I'm really excited because I love her music. It's gonna be so different than the other concerts that I've been to, which are like the J-Hope and Suga concert. Two different vibes, so I'm really excited to see how that is. Like we all know, the Ichiko Aoba girlies are softcore, jellyfish, cutesy, comfortable, chill vibes, so hopefully I can just be all of that. I honestly haven't been having like a great of a week. I feel like my hormones have just been literally taking a toll on me. My back is just chronically hurting and I feel like I'm supposed to start my period and I still haven't had my period, which is TMI, but like that really kicks my body's butt. Like I just feel horrible. I'd rather just have the period and stop suffering. But my lower back has been hurting since high school and this is so not aesthetic, but I need to put some salon pass on because I'm actually dying right now. And I've had lower back problems since I was in high school after I hurt it when I was playing volleyball. After that, I just couldn't move or play volleyball at all anymore. So I'm just gonna put these on my back. I feel like a grandma. Family always tells me that I have the body of a grandma. I wake up with lower back pain and just aches and pains every single day and I don't know why. First of all, I put my hair in a bun, slightly damp with some products because I don't think I'm gonna have time to do my hair today. And when I put my hair in a bun, it kind of creates these like nice loose waves. Hopefully it's a hit or miss. Sometimes it does not come out good. I'm gonna cry if it doesn't. I also do not know what I'm gonna wear today. I don't know why I didn't plan it. Yeah, and I've just been having a really rough week, so my mind has been elsewhere, but I think I'm just gonna go really casual today. I feel like I used to want to go all out with these kind of events, but I've just been getting lazier and lazier, and then I kind of just tell myself like no one really looks at me / cares, and as long as I'm comfortable, I'm happy with it. So, and also I've been shopping less and less, so I don't even go shopping anymore, so I feel like all the time I'm just repeating outfits, which is fine, but as an influencer or like a content creator, I feel like you have there's this huge like no for outfit repeating. What's the point of wearing a piece of clothing if you're just gonna wear it once? You know what I'm saying? But let's go find an outfit. Let me know which one you guys prefer because I don't know. Okay, this is my first outfit. I was thinking this top with just jeans, but it is gonna get cold, so I might need to wear a jacket. But I also have this cardigan that I got from Brandy that I haven't worn yet, and I want to see. Maybe I can wear it together. Just layer it like this. Wait, that's kind of cute. I feel like I like that a lot better. I don't know, like I get really insecure when my arms are showing, so I like to wear long sleeves that kind of cover it up. That's just what I feel most confident in, but what do you guys think? Kind of digging this actually. I'm gonna see how it looks like with my hair down. I put this like sea salt wave texturizing spray to test out, but like it makes my hair feel so sticky. I kind of regret putting it in now. I'm really regretting that crunch spray. My hair feels gross and I just washed it. Okay, I think this is the look and fit for today. But also, since I told you it is Caitlin's birthday, I am planning to give her like a goodie box full of some products and stuff. We talked about hair care and how she wants to like get into hair care. So I'm like trying to figure out what I should pack for her. I was trying to fit it all into this tote bag, but I don't think it's gonna fit. So I opted for this box and I included one of my favorite Olaplex sets. I just love Olaplex for my hair. And also I got these like little pom-poms in a PR box, but I feel like their cat Chimmy would really like it. My cat also really liked pom-poms. Rest in peace, Coconut. I still think about you every day. So this is what it's looking like right now. I also have just like a few more knickknacks that I can put in here. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I put in. Some makeup brushes, Rare Beauty blush. I also love this House of Her blush. I think she will look fantastic in this. A moisturizer. And I also have tons of stuff here, like this Pharmacy Balm. Okay, I'm going to see if I can fit this all. This Cocoa Kind cleanser, which is one of my favorite cleansers. It's such a nice, gentle cleanser. Olaplex number 7, one of my favorite hair oils. She deserves it. And more hair care stuff from Kristen S. Put some in there. And I'm just gonna include some just cute little makeup stuff because I think Caitlin wants to experiment more with makeup. Gisu hair oil for my baddie girls. Eye cream. I'm gonna include this Say brush. I feel like every time I gift people makeup, I always want to make them like the most it girl ever. So I'm gonna include all my favorite stuff. Some blur and cheek pots. I think these are super cute. With this brow gel. Hopefully. Oh, perfect. It fits. Yippee! Of course, I don't want Helen, her sister, getting FOMO, so I also packed her. Even though it's not her birthday, she still deserves the best. So, just an extra makeup and skincare stuff that we talked about before. She really likes like dark lips, so I always find stuff that would look really good on her. Like, this one looks so beautiful on her. Love Caudalie, so I included one of these. And I feel like girls can never have too much makeup tools, so here's like makeup sponges and one of my favorite berry blushes from one of our favorite YouTubers we watched growing up. I love that. Hair care. I don't know, when I gift products like this, I just want people to feel the same way about me when I play with makeup and skincare. Like, it just makes me feel so happy and pretty and girly. So hopefully I can give the same effect back to people. I love gifting people skincare and makeup. Like, it's my favorite thing. I love making little boxes and goodie bags. Think about what they would like and just pack them something nice. And I've actually done that for a few of my followers and that was really fun. So, whoa, oh my gosh, wait, that's really heavy. Here we go. And I have this cute letter set. I love stationery stuff, so I'm just gonna write Caitlin a little happy birthday letter. I get this from my mom. We love stationery stuff. Should we get the whole workers to come and join us? To you, happy birthday, dear Caitlin. Happy birthday to you. Bro, she did that yesterday, and my parents were like, "What are you doing?" Like my jaw dropped.
That would make me Waylon Smithers, and all the song would be Mr. Burns.
forget that a lot.
Hello! New location unlocked. I'm in my boyfriend's room right now. But today we got this fresh strawberry mochi that my friend Helen gave me. If you guys know, it's really hard to get this because they sell out so quick from downtown. And I've been wanting to try this for so long. So thank you, Helen. Like, look at this. It's like so big and I'm just like... It looks like the TikTok emoji like that. There's nothing better than a beautiful day with a beautiful mochi. Here we go. Cheers! Oh my god. Wait, that is so good. Strawberry is so sweet. It's so ripe. I bet this is better than the Air One $20 strawberry that people are buying. Wait, that strawberry is so sweet. Wow. And the mochi is so good. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna save this for my boyfriend. I wish Lauren could try this. I think she would really like this. But now, I'm gonna try to take a nap.